Stan. Today I'm going to read this book, Classic Animal Tales and Rhymes, and I'm going to show you the front cover page here and the back side. And Classic Animal Tales and Rhymes. Discover a world of magic, adventure and fun with the children's illustrated treasury of classic animal tales and rhymes. Go adventuring with Dick Whittington and his cat. Discover hidden beauty through the ugly duckling and jump around with the monkeys on the bed. This beautifully illustrated collection contains over 30 fairy tales and nursery rhymes and classic storytellers such as Hans Christian Andersen, Charles Perrault and his brothers Grimm. And the children's illustrated treasury of classic tales and rhymes will encourage a love of reading to last in lifetime. So now I'm going to start my story. I'm going to read but there are many stories in the contents, but there are also rhymes, not only stories. But I'm going to read this one, Three Billy Goats, Gruff. And here I go. Once upon a time, there lived on a hillside three billy goats, whose names were Gruff. Winter had passed, and lean, hungry billy goats want to go the juicy taste grass. They grow fat over, but there is a green town here. Fetch over summer, and the baton of the valley was a casting stream, and that they had to cross over. The stream was a bridge, but under a bridge there lived a great ugly troll. The eyes were big and saucers on his nose as long as a poker. First of all, when the youngest and the smallest billy goat, the billy goat's name was Gruff, trip, 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 when the wooden bridge is the billy goat hoops danced across it. Who is tripping over my bridge? Roared the troll from underneath the bridge. It's me, the tiniest billy goat, Gruff, said the billy goat in a tiny voice. I'm going to the hillside to eat some juicy grass so I can grow fat. No, you are not, roared the troll. No, you are not. I am too little, I am the youngest billy goat. If you wait a little while longer, the second billy goat, Billy Gruff, will come along. He is much bigger than me. Bigger? He is, asked the hungry troll. Well, be off with you then. And the youngest billy goat tripped lightly across the bridge to a meadow. That was too close. After a little while, the second billy goat, Gruff, came along to cross the bridge. He was a medium-sized billy goat. Trap, 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 went the wooden bridge, and the second billy goat made his way across. Who is stepping over my bridge? Roared the troll from underneath of the bridge. It's me, the second billy goat, Gruff. The billy goat in a medium-sized voice, I am going to the hillside to eat some juicy, tasty grass so I grow fat. No, you are not, rolled the troll. I'm coming to gobble you up. Oh, please. Oh, don't please eat me. I'm only medium size. I am said the second Billy Goat gruff. If you wait a little while longer, the third Billy Goat will come. He is much bigger than me. Bigger he is, the hungry will be up with you then. The second Billy Goat, that was too risky. And they are playing tricks. But the troll is just making confused with the Billy Goats. Bigger he is, very figure. And the second Billy Goat trapped across the bridge to a meadow. Then the third Billy Goat Gruff came along to cross the bridge. He was very large Billy Goat. Tramp, 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 tramp. He went the wooden bridge as the third Billy Goat stomped across it. Who is trapping on my bridge? Roared the troll from underneath the bridge. It's me, the third Billy Goat. Gruff. Roared the Billy Goat in a very loud voice. Voice. I am going up the hillside to eat some juicy, tasty grass, so I am grow fat. And look, here is the Billy Goat page and the trunk. Tasty bread, No, you are not, roared the troll, jumping onto the bridge. I am coming to gobble you up. Well, come along then, said the third Billy Goat Gruff. He lowered his head and pointed his thorns at the troll. Then he charged like Sonic. He became electric power and Thor. The troll bounced into the air and landed on the bridge. Not in the bridge, to America. That's so funny. The big Billy Goat jumped on the troll and stomped him and crushed him like paper. And the troll became sand in the third Billy Goat's hand. And with him, the Big Goat, then he kicked out his hand and legs and tossed the troll into the The third Billy Goat became rapid fire. Kicked his legs into the rapid blow, and the troll floated away back the blue and that was the last anyone ever saw of him. So here I go in the next. The three Billy Goats Gruff went all of the hillside and became fat. The hillside to a green meadow. There they eat some juicy, tasty grass until they were so fat. And they were so happy and thanked the third Billy Goat. And so that they could secretly walk home again, and after that day they went to the meadow on the opposite side of the valley whenever they wished. So look, they are now happily ever after. Here is the pen. So thank you, and if you bookstore this book, buy one, and it is superb and awesome. And you also share a story. If the story is big, you can go in live, okay? And be the number one than me. I know you can do that. And hope you like my stories. Bye bye. See you next Sunday. Sundays with Ridan. Thank you very much.